Okay, so thank you for purchasing my Fiverr gig. If you like the video when it's all done and finished and you've learned how to do it, please thumbs up my gig. That would be appreciated. And so in the download you got, you should have gotten this text document right here. And there's only three things you'll need. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to photobucket.com. I don't want to edit that. Go to photobucket.com and create a an account there, and it's free to do. So just go ahead and create an account, and that's all you have to do for now is just create the account, and then we'll get to the rest later. So after you go to PhotoBucket and you create your account, you can go ahead and just pause this video. You're going to want to download Jing, and you get that at the second right there, that web address right there, the techsmith.com/download/Jing. And what this is, I'll click out of these, is it puts this little guy up on your desktop, and I'll show you what that does in just a second as well. But you want to download and install that. Only takes a minute, and then you're just going to need the website myspacegens.com, and that's where you're actually going to put the website URL that you want the images to click on, and the image URL, which I'll show you how to do in just a minute, and it'll create the HTML for you to put in Craigslist and Backpage and stuff like that to make your image clickable. So I'm going to show you how I created the image on my Fiverr gig, just really simple. So you can actually open up a new Word document. I use OpenOffice from openoffice.org just because it's free and it does all the same things that Microsoft Word does. And so as you can see on my my Fiverr gig, I just type out want to learn to create clickable images ? And then I'll just create, so I'll just make something up. And so I put that text right there, and now what I want to do is I want to actually put like a little graphic right here. And so to do that, all I do is I just go to the Google homepage, and I click on images, and I want kind of like a thin banner type thing that I want to put right there, just to kind of separate the texts that I'm doing. And so I'll just put, well, thin horizontal line. I'll just put banner. And see, and it comes up with all, Google will come up with about a million different ones. My computer's running slow today. Let's put graphic instead. And I mean, it'll just download a ton of stuff for you. But what we want is kind of like a page break type thing. So let's go back to let's just put graphic in there. Okay, let's just go back to line. I did it once before when I was making mine. I can't remember what I put in there. And oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, this is more like it. And I believe this is actually the one that I used right here. Yeah, I think it is. And so this is where you're going to use Jing. You can actually right-click and save this image on your desktop if you want. Um, if it's a big image like this, I usually don't bother. I will just use Jing. And so what Jing does is you come up here and you see how it'll, let me close this out so you get a better look. You see how it kind of opens up like that? You want the little crosshairs right here. And so when you click on that, you're gonna get these. You're gonna get this crosshair right here. So you want to do that. Let me go back. And so just kind of, you just want to go over it, and it'll kind of open up. Click on the crosshairs, and you left click, and you go over and you kind of make a box. And whatever is inside the square, whatever you make, you're going to take a picture of. Basically it's going to be an image capture of whatever is on your screen, and you can actually move this around. And so I mean, but we want this line right here, and we don't need all this white space, so I'm just going to shrink it. And then you just come here where it says capture image, you just click on that, and there you go. You've captured this image, and now you want to save it. And you can just come down here and click on the save button, and I will save this to my desktop. Let's put save. And close that out. And you can see it's saved right there on my desktop. So what I want to do is open up my document again, and I want to come up here to insert. I scroll down to picture and insert from file. I'm going to go back to my desktop, find the picture that I saved on there. There it is. And just open it. And it's put it right there underneath that text. I'm just going to shrink it down a little bit. There. And then below that I'll just put step by step. Step-by-step video explains how. And so below this, I want to put like a button, you know, an action button or something, an action icon that says click here to get started or whatever. And so what I want to do is go back to images, Google Images, and type in get started now button. And you've got tons and tons and tons to choose from. Get started today. And let's get a good one. Well, I kind of like this one. Let's just go with that. So wait for it to finish loading. Alright, I'm not sure what happened there. But, so it's loaded, so we want to go back to Jing. Click on our little crosshairs. And we just want to capture that. Capture image. Save to the desktop. Go ahead and close that. Make sure it's saved. There we go. And open up the Word document again. And I'm just going to go through the same process. I'm going to go down to Picture after clicking Insert from File. Alright, and there's our button right there. And I just want to shrink that down so it's not so big. And so what we have here is just a quick, text with a clickable button down here. It's not clickable yet, but we're going to make it clickable. And so what you want to do now, again, is go up to Jing, get the crosshairs, and you're going to actually capture this as an image. Capture that. Save it to your desktop. Alright. And you can save the document if you want. I usually don't since I've already created the image. So I'll just click out of here and discard. And so this is what we just created. It's a picture, an image right there. Now we're going to make it clickable to your website. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So this is where you want to go to Photo Bucket. After you've created your account, and what you want to do is just on your home page, you want to just click on Upload. And it's running slow today. Alright. And then just go to here, it says choose photos and videos. Just click on that. And Photo Bucket's pretty cool because you can store like all your videos and photos on here for free. Let's click on that again. There we go. So desktop. So the image. And it saved it as a PNG, and you can, if you go into Paint, you can actually convert it to a JPEG. It's pretty easy to do. But we'll just click on Open. And should be showing upload down here, right around here. Oh, there it goes. And again, it's taking its sweet time. It just gives you the opportunity to go through some of the reviewing material. There we go. So it's loaded up. And what I want to go to now is you scroll up here and click on, you can actually just click on Library. You don't have to click on View Library, and just click on Library. And it will come up with all the stuff that you've created, and I've created quite a few, as you can see. But all you have to do now is just, we can click on it. And there's our little image there. And what you want to do is you come over here to where it says links to share this photo. You got HTML, direct, email, and IM. What you want is the direct link, and it's a URL link. And all you have to do is just click on it, and it automatically copies it for you. And so then what you want to go do is you want to go to the MySpaceGens.com, and that's in the document that you got down here is MySpace Gens, and this is where you're going to be actually creating the HTML. And so when you get to MySpaceGens.com, you just want to hover over Generators, and you'll get a little drop-down menu, and you want to come to Link Generator. Just click on that. And usually the first time you click on it, it opens up another tab, which is just an ad thing that they do. This right here Yeah, you just close that out. So you're back here. And so this is the link generator that it takes you to. So you come down, live preview. So come down where it says link type. And where it says link type, you want to click on image link. Alright, so the next thing you do is image URL. And this is where you're going to put, I'll go back to the photo bucket where it's the direct link that you clicked on and it copied. What you want to do is you want to paste that URL that you just copied right in here. And boom, so it's already loaded it up, and so there it is. And then the link URL, this is the web page that you want it to click to. So if this is your own website, web page, affiliate link, if you have an affiliate link, you put your affiliate link here. And so I will just use my Fiverr link. And then you just come down to submit. Scroll down, and this right here in this box, this is the HTML code that makes your link click to the website. And so all I got to do is just simply click in the box, copy, and I usually will open up the notepad, but you can use it on a Word document or whatever, but I open up a notepad and I paste it. And that's the HTML you want to use. And now if you want to see if it's working correctly, I'll put this, I forgot to put this one in there, but you can actually go to Google, let's see, HTML viewer. And the real-time HTML editor. And I'll put this link in there before I finish up the package. And come up here and just delete this. And you want to, oops, sorry. You copied this, so it's going to copy it again. And I'm going to paste this HTML into that real-time HTML editor. And so this is what the HTML creates. And so if you want to see if the link is working, I usually will open it in a new tab, the link. Alright, so yeah, when people click on the picture, it takes them right here to my Fiverr gig. So just close that out. So now I know that this image is working correctly. And so when you're on like Backpage or even Craigslist or any kind of advertisement that allows you to put in an HTML code for an ad, this is what you want to put in there. And then it will create the image and people can actually click on it and take it to your website and actually get started now. So that in a nutshell is basically how I create about 90% of my clickable images. You can create a lot more in-depth detailed ones if you know how to use Photoshop, things like that, but I'll just keep this one simple for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, you can email me at internetriches101@gmail.com. And I will get back to you usually within 24 hours. So if you have some problems with anything or you need a little help, by all means, send an email to the internetriches101@gmail.com and I will get back to you. And thank you very much.